Okay, this video is about the destruction in East Brainerd, the tornado where our investment house is, and the handicap vans nearby got hit by the tornado too. Now these people worked really hard to get all these vans ready for handicapped persons, which is of course a point of interest for me personally, because I'm supposed to be in one of these, and I'm so very thankful and so very grateful that I can still walk with my 2 ruptured discs and other problems with my back. I'm not supposed to be able to, but you know, I'm very, very lucky. And I work really hard at certain exercises and stuff in my diet to be able to keep out of a wheelchair for now. My mother's already in a wheelchair. She needs a van like this. And so I really feel for people that do. And I really feel for the people that can't get theirs right now because of all this destruction right here. You can see every one of these vans is damaged right now. I mean, look at the mirrors missing off right here. And these things were in pristine condition. These people do a really good job of converting and fixing up these handicap vans. There's more of them around here past this line, and I mean, you can see the trees and stuff, and the pieces of the trees and the pieces of the buildings nearby. They all went flying through here and hitting and damaging these vans and the building that they use to fix them up. We're really hoping these people can be able to, I hope they got lots of good insurance. Hope the insurance company treats them right, and I hope that the workers that come and fix up their building for them can get them back into operation as quickly and painlessly as possible, so they can get back to doing the really good work that they do. And I'm thankful that our investment house down the street didn't get destroyed. We really had hardly any damage at all. We had a bunch of mess like this all over in the yard, and we had to clean that up, but that's a small price to pay when you see the destruction that went on here just right down the road. So I'm gonna go back to being nothing but positive videos after this. So till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. Go try to fix something, make stuff better, clean stuff up, fix stuff up. Remember, everything you touch, try to leave it better than it was when it came to you. You can still see all the destruction on the other side of the street. This managed to survive it. It was in a garage a couple blocks from here. Beautiful, beautiful Thunderbird.